to turn on or turn off face filters in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, so click on this four dot icon. So after click on this four dot icon, you will see face is here. So click on face filter. So if you want to turn on or turn off face filter, so if you want to turn off face filter, so click on face, you will see face filter is turned off. So if you want to turn on face filter, so again click on face, you will see face filter is turned off. So you will see smoothness, tone, jawline and eyes. So if you want to turn on or turn off, so turn on or turn off face filter from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off face filter in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.